Turkestan. Chinese colonization is the root of ongoing genocide of Uyghurs. On July 27, Foreign Policy published an article titled "Calls for Independence May Not Help the Uyghur Cause," which argued that most Uyghurs don't seek independence from China, and that pro-independence arguments damage attempts to protect Uyghurs' human rights inside China. But in the long run, independence is the only way to guarantee protection for Uyghurs from the Chinese state. At present, the conversation on East Turkestan, which China calls Xinjiang, is framed in terms of human rights violation instead of being addressed as an international conflict. China falsely claims East Turkestan has been part of China since ancient times, but despite almost 2,000 years, it never really established hegemony over the region until the late 19th century. Various dynasties briefly occupied parts of the region, brought parts of it into tributary relations, and manipulated local politics, but it was never successfully integrated into the Chinese Empire. In 1877, the Qing invaded East Turkestan. In 1884, they formally annexed it as a Xinjiang, meaning the new territory in the Mandarin language. Subsequently, the Qing began to colonize the area by settling Han Chinese and Hui Chinese Muslims colonists in East Turkestan. As with the name of many modern nations, East Turkestan itself is a relatively recent coinage, but one that resonates with its people.